told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can pass GoTranscript test. So the first thing you are supposed to do is to pass these MCQ questions, which you have to pass 100%, and you have to follow the guidelines. That's why they have included that link there for the guidelines. So let's move on and continue. Okay, so the first question: why is it important to pass the test on your own and without anybody's help? Knowledge, the correct answer is B. Knowledge of GT guideline is a must while working at GoTranscript, because if you don't have that knowledge, even if you pass the test, you're going to be removed when you do bad quality jobs or lower quality jobs. What are the types of time stamping? Okay, this one you can easily find it on the guidelines. You can just open here and type time stamping. Yeah, this one, time stamping types, you can see. And if you scroll down, you have this one: every 2 minutes and every change of speaker. So you come every 2 minutes and change of speaker. Let's continue. If a speaker spells the word, how will it look in the transcription? Okay, you can just spelling. How are we supposed to spell word? Let me see if I can see that. Okay, let me see. Spell. This one: if a speaker spells a word or a name, my name is Anna, ANNA, Evo. Don't put a. If it's a dictation, type transcriber. Okay, so we are supposed to put like this. Come back to my questions, and I see this one is wrong. It's wrong. The only correct answer is that one. Okay, how does time stamping every 2 minutes look? Okay, let me come back here for time stamping. Okay, time stamp every 2 minutes. Okay, we have let me see if I can open here and see how that time stamping looks like. It's this one. That's the first minute, 00. Let's go till to the second minute. You can see second minute. Third minute, where are you? Not third, fourth minute. Now the next time term should be 8 minutes. We have jumped to I don't know where is the fourth one. Okay, come back to here, and it's speaker. This one is the correct one, should be bolded and speaker then. Yeah. What do you have to do when a person agrees on something by saying yep or okay? This one is here. Okay, let me close this one. Can say spelling. Okay, this one. If someone says yeah, yep, you have to write yes, and alright should be alright. Never spell okay or okay. It must always spelled as okay. Right? You have to spell it as okay. So yep, must be written as yes, okay must be written as okay. This one is the correct answer. If there is a comment next to audio file saying please use embedded time but in, what do you have to do? Embedded. Okay, let me type here embed. Okay, if there's a comment next to the audio file saying please use the embedded time or burnt in time, you will need to download the file in order to watch the video and use the correct time. Okay, let's see the answers. Time stamping will be done automatically on the GoTranscript tool, so you do not have to do anything extra. No, I think this one is the correct one. Put in the correct form of time stamping, an essential part of transcript. Bus job, please download a file and follow the time on the screen in order to put the bold end timestamps. That is the correct answer. It's very easy if you confirm your answer using the guidelines, which are just there. Okay, if a speaker made a grammatical error in the sentence, I saw one children, how would you transcribe it? Let's look for the grammatical error. Come here to the guideline and write grammatical errors, this one. Okay, do not correct grammatical errors made by speakers. Note, do not use sync tag. It's even written here, do not use sync tag. So this one is very easy. There is a sync tag here, there is a sync tag here, and you're not supposed to use that. So the correct answer is that. Very easy. Okay, which is the correct format according to GT? First of all, this one is wrong for the spelling. C and D are wrong for the spelling because you are supposed to use the hyphen, the small dash, this one. So the correct answer should be either A or B. Alright, so I think A looks more correct than the rest. She came to me and said, I am from Mozambique. Okay, it can be either this one or this one. Let me see. If the quality of audio or video files is horrible, what do you do? I think this one is, if the audio is unable, let the support know. Yeah. What is the correct format of the website links? I think that one sound, but let me see. Web. Okay, links. Yeah, so you can see this one. So that one is the correct one. Okay, I'm not sure about question 8, but let's confirm and see if we pass or fail the test. So just wait. I have to click. I have to
you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All